In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-delete messages in Telegram. If you share sensitive details, want cleaner chats, or just prefer conversations that don't stick around forever, Telegram's auto-delete feature is a simple way to make that happen. It removes messages after a time you choose, helping you manage privacy and clutter without constantly clearing history yourself. Let's start inside a specific conversation. Open Telegram and go to the chat you want to manage. It can be a one-on-one chat or a group. At the top of the screen, tap the chat name or group title to open the chat's details. In the corner, tap the three dots to open the More menu. From there, select Auto Delete Messages. You'll see options that let you choose how long messages should stay visible. Pick a duration that fits your needs or set a custom time if the presets aren't quite right. Once you confirm, Telegram will show a small notice in the chat so everyone understands a timer is active. From that moment on, new messages in this conversation will automatically disappear after the period you selected. This includes text and most media, which helps keep the whole thread tidy. If you change your mind later, come back to the same place to adjust the timer or turn it off. If you'd rather manage this more broadly, you can set it from your account settings. Open Telegram settings, then tap Privacy and Security. Choose Auto Delete Messages and select a timer or set a custom time. This gives you a centralized way to control how long messages last, so you don't have to configure each chat one by one. You can still override the default in any individual chat using the method we just covered, which is handy if some conversations need longer or shorter timers. A few tips as you choose your duration. Short timers offer stronger privacy, especially in busy group chats or when sharing sensitive information. Longer timers are better when you need ongoing context, like project discussions or plans you'll reference for a while. Auto delete affects new messages from when you turn it on. Existing older messages typically won't be removed retroactively. In groups, some settings may depend on admin permissions, so if you don't see the option, a group admin might need to enable it. And remember, auto delete clears messages from the chat, but it can't control what someone has already saved or forwarded elsewhere. That's it. Now you know how to auto-delete messages in Telegram, either per chat or from your settings. Pick the timer that matches your workflow and enjoy cleaner, more private conversations.